going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Today, we're gearing up towards Valentine's Day. Or, like my dad used to say, Happy VD Day. That's right, people. You know what I'm talking about. That's right. Anyway, today, we gonna gear up and do the biggie. Steak and lobster, surf and turf. It's been quiet for the past hour as I set up, but now cars want to come past. Guess they want some surf and turf. They want some of this steak and lobster too. They want to learn how to do it. As big boy, he wants to get cooked. They want goose on the menu now too. He knows I hate him. He hates me back. It's been about 5 years of love-hate relationship. This meal ain't for him. He will be a meal one day. The rest of the geese, they fine, except for 2 of them. But the rest of them, they fine. Those are the babies. He's not. I don't like him. He don't like me. We can make jokes about him. He's okay to make jokes about him. But anyway, we gonna do it up with some Uncle Steve's shake. Stick around. We're gonna get right to it. All right, we're gonna begin. We've got our lobster, which is about a 3-4 ounce lobster over here. Not too big, not too small. It's about standard size right about now. You know, about what you can get in the grocery stores nowadays. And then we've got a strip loin. Used to be called a New York strip. Proper term name for it is a strip loin. So that's what we've got. We're going to go ahead and start off with the strip loin today. We're going to hit it up with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce or Dove sauce, if you want to go with that route. Today we're going to use some Uncle Steve's thick meat shake. It's his original beef rub. It's got salt, pepper, garlic. Heavy on the black pepper. Got to hit that sides up. Make sure you get all the goodness everywhere on this steak. So we're going to go ahead and let that marinate for a little bit. Going to change out our gloves real quick. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the lobster tail. We are going to turn it around real quick. Now you want to get these meat shears underneath the shell. And go ahead and start cutting. Hopefully in this process you don't cut the meat of the lobster too much. Go ahead, pull it back some. Now, break the lobster meat from the bottom of the lobster. And there we go. Now, remove one of your gloves. And go ahead and use that Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. This has salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of some paprika, some cayenne, all the good stuff. We're going to go ahead and get our grill up to temp. Today we are using the Royal Oak charcoal in the Weber. NASCAR season number 1 is in the books. We're going to go ahead and begin now. We're going to go ahead and throw down some Jack Daniel's wood chips. We're going to go ahead and throw the steak off to the side, and then we're going to put the lobster off to this side. We're looking for 115 in the steak right now. We're going to let that lobster get all nice and happy. After that, we're going to go ahead and put the steak directly on the... Alright, we are at 115, so we're going to go ahead and move that steak and lobster right into the center of the grill. We're going to get those nice and happy going. That meat stick did it nice and perfectly. So now we're going to go ahead and start using our handheld thermometer to get it the rest of the way. That is Mayor that is screaming right now. We named one set of geese after the movie Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack and Sally have both passed away. We have Oogie, who is the child. He is still around. And Mayor, we have bought her from somebody else. Alright, we're almost there, so we're going to go ahead and put down a little bit of our butter and garlic and dill sauce that I made up. It's a little cold out here today, so it has set up a little bit. So I will put on that cover just to help it along a little bit. I use some minced garlic, some non-salted butter. I will go ahead and do this same treatment to the other side of that steak. Alright, let's go ahead and take a quick look. That lobster is now done. So you don't want to go ahead and cook it too long. See how red that shell is? I did temp the meat. It is at perfect temp, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off. Don't want to cook it for too long because then that meat will get tough. Go ahead and flip this steak over and put that butter sauce on this other side. And we are there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this steak off the grill. We're going to let it rest for a couple minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and cut into it. And we're done. Literally. Takes no time at all. I understand some of y'all don't want to go ahead and get those coals fired up because it takes that 20-30 minutes. But trust me, it's worth it. Get that extra flavor from the coals, from the wood chips. Trust me, folks, it's worth it. I understand you want to go ahead and use it at gas grill because it's quicker, it's faster. 5 minutes, you're done. Or you want to use the pellet grill. But the pellet grill generally doesn't give you as much flavor as the charcoal grill with the wood chips. Gas grill definitely doesn't give you the flavor. Trust me, just do it on the charcoal grill if you got one. It'll be definitely worth it. The flavor will be there. The extra char will be there. Go ahead and do it. Now, let's go ahead and dig in. Yes, folks, if you haven't noticed by now over the years, I am left-handed. Less than 10% of the world is part of that special population, the good population, that is left-handed. We are the special. We are the one. The one. Anyway, let's dig in. Let's move that lobster out the way, cut into this strip. Oh yeah, folks. Nice, medium, rare. Cut off a little piece there. Dig in. So good. Oh yeah. Melt in your mouth. That thick meat shake from Uncle Steve's puts a nice little pop onto it. That butter, garlic, and dill sauce that we put on there Puts that nice little buttery flavor note on there. So good. Let's go ahead and get into that lobster. Look at that, folks. Just flakes off. That gator shake, nice pop of heat, lemony flavor, citrus notes, nice butter garlic sauce that I put on there too. So good. You'll love it. You'll enjoy it. Whoever you serve it to that day, they'll enjoy it too. If you like what I'm doing, folks, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.